Hello everyone. Now in this video we'll learn about the five things. First thing, flat file to normal, how to convert. Second one, how to normalize the data. Third one, how to build a star schema. Fourth one, cardinality in the Power BI. And fifth one, how to handle cross filter direction here. So now we'll start with the normalization. So first question here is, what is normalization? So normalization is a way of organizing data in a database. Normalization involves organizing the columns and tables in the database to ensure that their dependencies are correctly implemented using database constants. Normalization is the process of organizing data in a proper manner. It is used to minimize the duplication of various relationships in the database. Now we'll see in more detail how we work on the normalization part here. This is my data here. Okay, go to the data view here for more details. Here we have the order ID, contains all the sales of a supermarket. Yeah, this is my order ID containing the sales data of a supermarket. Now this is the people. This is the returned ID. So we'll see one by one here. Now first go to transform the data. If you see in this orders table, we have row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, pin code, region. After that, product related data like product ID, category, subcategory, product name. After the sales, profit, quantity, discount, all those things here. So now we'll split the data to normalize. First, if we see your customer data, having customer ID, customer name, segment, country, state, region, postal code. So we'll create a customer table. For that, we'll duplicate it and rename as dim underscore customer. Now this is customer data having customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region. So apart from customer data, we will delete everything. Now remove other column. Now this table contains the customer data only. So it might happen that a particular customer might visit the supermarket many times. So we'll check for the duplication here. Now there is one option, remove duplicate. Yes, remove duplicate. Now we will count here. So how many records we have? Go to transform, click on stats, count distinct value. Now we can see only 793 row. Earlier we have 10,000 row. Now it's reduced to 793 row by adding an extra table dimension underscore customer here. Now go back. Now from here, except the customer ID, we will relate other customer related data. So this is customer ID, leave it. So select customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, delete it. No, only product ID is left here. I'll explain why we have left product ID here. Sorry, only customer ID I have left in this table. I will explain why we have left customer ID. Now next is the product ID, category, subcategory, product name here. So create another duplicate and change its name to the dimension underscore product. Here this is product ID, category, subcategory, product name. So except the product ID, we will remove other three data categories, subcategory, product name. Remove columns here. We left the product ID here. Go to the product dimension here. So we'll keep only product related data like product ID, category, subcategory and product name. Apart from that, we will remove all the data. So remove other columns. Now this table contains the product related data only. It might happen that a particular for a given product ID may be repeated. So we'll remove the duplicate here. So remove duplicate here. Now we'll count the number, count distinct value here. Now it has been reduced to 1862 row here. Now go back here. Now let's see what we can do here. Order ID. Now ship mode, ship date, ship mode here. Here if we see ship mode, we have second class, standard class, first class, second day here. So after taking permission from the client or whatever project demand, we'll create another ID here, ship mode ID here. So for that, we'll create a conditional column here. For that, we'll go to the add column, create conditional column. Ship mode ID here. If ship mode is equal first class equal 101, we can take any value to create the ship mode ID. Now add class ship mode equals second class 102. Ship mode equals same day 103. Else if we'll take another 104 for the standard. Now click on OK. Now the ship mode ID created here, we'll shift it to next to the ship mode. So we're shifting it to the before shipped ID, ship mode ID. Yes. Now we'll convert into the whole number. Now we'll create its duplicate. We'll remove the ship mode from here and we'll keep the ship mode ID newly created. I have removed the ship mode from here. Now come here. We'll keep the ship mode ID and ship mode. Apart from that, we'll delete everything. So remove other columns. Now we'll remove the duplicate row. Now ship mode have been reduced to just 4 rows. Now come to the returns. Here it contains only one value, yes. So we'll remove this. Remove this column. Now I left with the order ID returned here. We'll rename as dimension underscore returns here. Now come to the people table here. Here if we see we have the person name and region here. But here we don't have the for the person name what is the customer ID we don't have. So we'll create that ID here. So for that we'll go to the merge queries. This is our people table here. Now we'll go to the dim underscore customer because there only we have the customer data. See here person name, it matches with the customer name here, right? So we'll do the left outer. Okay. Now you click on this icon here with a two side arrow. Now we want only customer ID. So we'll keep the customer ID only. So now this is the customer ID field here generated for the given person name here. So now for the means in the people table for the person a customer ID have been generated. So now close and apply here. So just wait and watch. It is taking time here. Now go to the data model here. We can see all the things here. So this is auto build relationship here. Now we will delete all the relationship and create our own ID, means our own relationship and model here. Now we will delete everything. So to delete the existing relationship, just click on here and delete. So we are getting this message, delete relationship. Are you sure you want to delete this relationship? Yes. Now I forget one thing here. Go to transform data. I will rename orders as a fact underscore cell. Now we are in the model here. Now it is taking time to load the changes. Yeah. Now we'll keep the fact cells here. We'll keep this in the center. We'll keep dim underscore at one corner. Now we'll build our own relationship here. So this is our product dimension underscore product one dimension, and here this is the fact cell here. So There is a one common field, the product ID here, product ID here also. So we map this product ID to this product ID here. We'll just drag and drop it. We can either do dimension the product to fact cells or fact cells to dimension, both the way. Now we see the relationship built here. I will explain this what is meaning of this one, this is arrow and this is star in the next video. Now this is the order ID. Now we take customer ID from the customer dimension and map it to the fact cells here. Customer ID here, customer ID here. We'll map ship mode ID to ship mode ID here. So now if you look at this carefully, it looks like a star here. We here fact cells in the center, and after that in the four corner like product, returns, customer, ship mode ID. So this is called a star schema here. Now in the next video we'll talk about the cardinality. So what is cardinality means? What is the meaning of each this one star and arrow in the next video.